My name is Cesar, and I'm a research engineer at Google, and I teach deep learning and natural language processing at Propulsion Academy.
Hi, I'm Marie. I'm a data scientist and mentor at Propulsion Academy. This course is for anybody who is working with data and looking at ways to leverage this data into insights.
Students will learn from foundational statistics to data science, toolkits and visualization, all the way to modern deep learning, with practical, hands-on experience with real-world data sets, oftentimes in partnership with industry or academia.
During the bootcamp, we cover all the different fundamentals for the different aspects of data science, but we really focus on hands-on experience. So we will get you to apply all these concepts to real-world examples. We prepare you for entry-level data science position, so a data analyst or a data scientist, depending on your background.
Whether you want to invest in your career by resuming your role after acquiring a new skill set or to land a great new job afterwards, Propulsion is a great opportunity to acquire the foundational background and to get enough hands-on experience. It's also very good to get long-lasting professional networking and personal friendships.
It's a really intense bootcamp. Within 3 months, you are able to cover a lot of material and have an overview of what data science is and how you can use it to tackle real-world problems. After this bootcamp, you will be able to take on a position as a data scientist in a wide variety of fields and kickstart your data science career.